How to password protect Canva website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a protection or a layer of protection of a password to your website on Canva. So it is going to be a very possible and also a legit way to do from Canva itself. Now what we're going to do is to head over canva.com. So basically what we're going to do next is to head over the website. Either we are going to select from the recent websites, or we can go ahead and select your designs like that and type in or select the category of the, as you can see here, design. And we're going to find or type in website. Click on website and it is going to filter all the designs. Select your website. It is going to open up the editor as you can see here. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're not going to have a lot of steps to do aside from click on edit site, do your modification that you want to do to that website, and make sure that you have published at least the website. So I'm going to click on the share button. As you can see in the share button, we're going to find that the website is live. That means that it is published. I'm going to click on it. Now we're going to head over the publish settings. Once you have clicked on that, you can go ahead and see that we can add some modification to the tab, the website description, and also we have this case, advanced settings. Click on it and you're going to find three choices. The first one of them is going to be the main goal. Password protection is disabled. You can protect your website with a password. Enable that and type in the website, or as you can see here, the password. I'm going to copy that password, click on republish, and after that we are going to have a look for that website. Basically when you are going to have it, so this is the password protection, you can go ahead and show. I'm going to be here having the password, so I'm going to put the password, click on continue, and as you can see, we're going to get the access to our website. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.